In the previous video, I was discussing CIA Triad. Now, confidentiality, integrity, and availability was discussed in the previous video. So now here comes some other aspects of CIA Triad. Okay, what are the aspects? First of all, we have to discuss the challenges of CIA Triad. CIA Triad is basically a very advanced model which is used in data security, cyber security, information security. So there is some challenges nowadays which we are facing using CIA Triad. What are they? First of all, the first point is trade-offs. Second is evolving threats, and the third one is resource constraints. What is trade-off? If the availability of data is increased, then the confidentiality is reduced. And if we want to strip the confidentiality, then the data reaching limit is slowing down. Next is evolving threats. Cyber criminals continuously developed advanced methods to compromise the CIA Triad. And third one is resource constraints. Cost effectiveness is a very big thing in any security model. So cost, if we want to balance the cost effectiveness, there might be some compromises comes in the triad model. Next, there are some case practices. These are some real-time applications where we are using the CIA Triad, like healthcare, finance, e-commerce, etc. And there are some case studies in these sectors. CIA Triad is readily used in a vast portion, and how now we are discussing in the next slides. First is case study 1, which is securing the online banking platforms through CIA Triad. C for confidentiality, as I have already told. In banking sector, banks ensure that customer credentials and transactions data are encrypted using SSL and TLS protocols and stored securely so that the confidentiality of the customer data should not be breached. Next is the integrity. Financial systems are using hashing algorithm and secure databases to prevent unauthorized changes to account balances or transactions. And the third point is availability. Load balancers and redundant servers help ensure 24/7 access to online banking services so that all time the data are available to the end user even during the high traffic period. This is the case study 2. In case study 2, we are protecting healthcare data system. First one, in confidentiality, patient health records are protected by the access control systems and encrypted communications so that the patient's records confidentiality should not be breached. Next, integrity. Medical data is protected from corruption or tampering using secure backups and audit trails. Next is availability. Systems like electronic health records are designed to be accessible during emergencies with disaster recovery plans to ensure the data availability. The next case is e-commerce website. In e-commerce website, customer information, customer payment information, order information, everything is encrypted during the transaction using standards like PCI DSS. Integrity is used here to the product data and customer orders are monitored for tampering with real-time integrity checks. And availability is content delivery methods and server redundancy ensure that websites remain operational during flash sales or cyber attacks. These are 3 case studies which I have discussed in for the CIA Triad. And this is the future of CIA Triad. In future, CIA Triad can be integrated with AI. It will be used in zero trust security models, and it can be used to enhance the blockchain technology. Thank you all. Hope you have understood the CIA Triad.